you don't say much about it till you use it. When you use it, you will know that this is a very good moisturizer. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are coming across my video for the first time, please click on that subscribe button, turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when we post a new video. Let's get into the main purpose of this video. I'm going to be rating 10 body lotions, or if more than, I can give you guys more than, but 10 body lotions that you can try out this 2026. Please, those are my personal experience with this body lotion. That doesn't mean that if you get it, it's not going to work or lighten you. And it's not 10 shades. It's not going to give you 10 shade lighter, 4 shade lighter. So if you want something that will bleach you, those ones and these ones I'm going to mention doesn't bleach. It's just you being consistent with them. The first one I have here is the Dr. Teal's body lotion. You guys know already, the OG knows that this body lotion, this particular body lotion is my favorite. Like, it's so amazing. It moisturizes the skin and it has a good fragrance because of the citric oil in it. It contains shea butter and vitamin C. This particular one is very good, but it's not really that hydrating. So it means that if you want to get that glow effect, you have to add your body oil to it. But this is a good body lotion. It's really very good. With the size and what it contains, it's a good one. So the price as well is okay. This is a very good moisturizer. It moisturizes the skin. It's really good if you're trying to maintain your skin tone. This is going to help you achieve it faster. The next one I have here is Nivea. Yes, Nivea body lotion. This particular one, this one is the advanced care. It's really very good and it's affordable as well. This is what I use. Am I getting dark? I'm not getting dark. This is affordable, it's moisturizing, and according to them, they said it clears stretch mark. I've not really seen that because I don't have much stretch mark on my body. So it has essential oils, it has vitamins, which is going to help hydrate your skin. This is for dry and extra dry skin. So if you have dry skin, I actually have dry skin, this has been my savior. Like, and whenever I use this, I don't pair it with any other oil because it's so hydrating and it's thick. Second brand is also Nivea brand, but the second of this is Beauty Even Glow. This one contains vitamin C, it contains turmeric, and it contains pear extract. So if you have combination skin, don't really have dry skin, you can go with that one because it's also good. And it contains SPF 15, which means it has sun protection in it. You're not really going to be bothered about using sunscreen on your body that much. The next body lotion is this Garnier complete whatever they are saying it is. When it comes to basic moisturizer you can use, it can help. And it contains lemon, which means it's going to help brighten your skin, and it has UV rays, maybe a little bit of sun protection in it as well. So you're not really going to be really bothered about applying sunscreen if the sun is not really that harsh on your skin. But in general, this is a very good moisturizer. I've tried it, it's good, but it's not really going to sustain or brighten you the way you want. So I think I just use one bottle. Maybe assuming I try using more than one, I could have see the results, right? Next one is the advanced Korean skin, the popular body lotion everyone is talking about. Yes, this is a good body lotion. I've tried it though. You guys have tried it. It's so moisturizing. It will hydrate your skin down so well. Like, guys, I've tried this particular one. I'm going to be putting picture of it. That body lotion is so good. I've used it. I'm going to still give review about it. In fact, this particular body lotion, I'm going to be giving it 100/100 because I still have someone that is using it. But the reason why I stopped using it is the fact that we don't know the owner, we don't know who produced it, we don't know the company, we don't know do they even have websites? I don't know if they have or not. That is the reason why I'm no longer using it. But it's a very good moisturizer. I've tried it. It's improved dull skin and give you that healthy glow. Guys, when I mean healthy glow, it's going to give you a healthy glow. If you are someone that wants to maintain your skin tone, it's going to help you brighten that dull skin, like give you that glow you want, even at your skin tone. And the next one I have is the Amlactin body lotion. This Amlactin, you guys have heard me talk about it several times. I've used it, I've seen people use it, I've seen the review. It's a good body lotion. It's not just going to help moisturize your skin. It's also an exfoliating body lotion. When we talk about exfoliating body lotion, this is one of them. It's going to help even at your skin tone. It's going to help exfoliate your skin. It's going to gently exfoliate. It's not going to rush. Lactic acid is not that exfoliating ingredient that is very, very harsh on our skin. So it's going to really it's going to gently do the job without irritating your skin. So this particular lotion is my all-time favorite. I so much love it. It's going to hydrate your skin, but not really that much. But if you want to get the best results out of it, you can apply your body oil to help boost it. But overall it's a very good moisturizer. Because it's an exfoliating body lotion, it's also going to reduce fine lines and wrinkles as well. So if you're in your 40s, your 50s, you're just looking for body lotion as well that can help even at your skin tone, that can help reduce the appearance of your fine lines, that can help reduce your wrinkles, go for exfoliating body lotion. And mind you, we are not supposed to be using it during the day. It's like a night body care. That's how you use it. And the next one is Olay vitamin C body lotion. This is a very good body lotion. In fact, from ages they've retained the quality of their products. Like, this is not the one that if you buy today, the next month when you try to purchase again, you are not going to get the same result from it. It's stable. So it's a very good moisturizer body lotion that you can start as someone that wants to change their body lotion in 2026. This is a very good one. It have different types. We have the vitamin C, we have the retinol, and we have the niacinamide. So any one that you want, if you want the retinoids, you want to use it for your treatment, you're in your 40s, you want to improve your fine lines and your wrinkles, you go for the retinol. Or you want something that is going to help brighten your skin tone and all that, you go for the vitamin C. Or you want something to help repair your skin barrier, give you that smooth even skin tone, you go for the niacinamide. So only have different types. Go for the one that you want, and it's a very good body lotion. It smells so good. Next one I have is the Vaseline Gluta-Hya serum. This is a good body serum. It helps brighten the skin, it clears dark spots over time, it reduces fine lines and all that. Most people don't know that this is a serum, so they just use it like that and they're not getting the best results out of it. You have to pair it with your moisturizer to get the best results out of it. Apply the serum, which is the Vaseline Gluta-Hya, then you go in with your moisturizer, a very good hydrating moisturizer. That way you're getting the best results from this body lotion, from this serum. Another thing you can do is that you can pair it with oil. That's the next thing you can do to help enhance the effectiveness of the serum. Next one we have is the advanced clinical body lotion that contains 10% glycolic acid. Guys, this is a very good body cream. They call it body cream. It's a very good body cream that can help exfoliate your skin. It's an exfoliant. It's an anti-aging body lotion. It helps in clearing wrinkles and all that, and it hydrates the skin. Maybe not really that moisturizing, but yeah, it's a good one. If you have skin issues, like you have an uneven skin tone, this is going to help you. If you have dark spots, it's going to help because of the glycolic acid that is inside. And one thing again is that, I don't know, it doesn't smell nice, so it's fragrance free. I don't like the way it smells, but if you're someone that you don't mind using it, you can get ahead and use it because it's so good. We have Skin by Zaron Vitamin C body lotion. This is a very good moisturizing, brightening body lotion you can invest in 2026. It's so brightening and it hydrates the skin as well. It contains vitamin C, alpha-arbutin, it contains collagen, and it contains vitamin E. So these 4 things in one body lotion, which means it's going to give you faster results. So if you're someone on a budget, you want all in one, go for this. I mean, Zaron products are good. If you know what I mean, if you've tried them, you know that they can be a little bit pricey, but their products are excellent. And the next body lotion is Medix 5.5 body lotion. This is a very good body lotion. If you're trying to invest in body lotion, you're trying to change your body lotion, this is a very good one that you should consider, especially the vitamin C body lotion. It is so good, guys. Nobody uses this and still complain that they are not getting even skin tone. You can't be using this and you're complaining that your skin is done. No, now, especially the vitamin C one. Like, no, it's so good to be true. You're going to get, you know, better skin tone. You're not going to have dull skin when using these products, especially when you pair it with the lactic acid body wash. Oh my god, it's so good. They have the retinoids and all that. The next one is CeraVe moisturizing cream. Yes, if you have dry skin, guys, if you have dry skin and you've been searching for cream to use, go and take CeraVe body lotions. Their body moisturizers are so good, very good, and it's thick, so whenever you use it on your skin, it's going to hydrate, moisturize, and give you that healthy glow. Another thing is that if you also have strawberry skin, they have the one that contains salicylic acid, so it's going to help clear those rough bumps and all that. See, CeraVe products is very good. So if you want something, you're looking for a good body lotion in 2026, go for this as well. It's a good moisturizer. The last one is Alpha Renewal body lotion. If you have chicken skin, you want, it's not just about those that have strawberry and chicken skin, but this is a very good exfoliating body lotion, and it gives you lighter shades. Like, it's going to even out your skin tone. It's going to give you that perfect results you want. This is what this body lotion does. Like, in Igbo we call it Ayamanero. That is what this body lotion is. You don't say much about it till you use it. When you use it, you will know that this is a very good moisturizer. It's a good hydrating and exfoliating body lotion as well. So any of these body lotions I just mentioned, just try them on. They are very good, and you have to be consistent though. You have to be consistent. You have to know that those things doesn't just give you results immediately. Yeah, they're not going to give you sharp results. So if you want something that will you want something that will bleach you, this body lotion doesn't do it. They're going to help moisturize your skin, even at your skin tone, and over time, when you use it for a longer period, you're going to see perfect results from it. And that's it for today's video. If you watch up to this point, you're my love. Do you know how long? Like this, I don't know how I'm going to edit this, but this is a long video. This is the longest video I've had on my channel. So thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please click on that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section the current body lotion you're using. Are you seeing perfect results from it? Are you using bleaching body lotion? Are you using moisturizing, or you are using lightening lotion? Just let me know in the comment section. I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.